One, two, three. Good morning, class. Before we start our class, let me tell you our uh, rules. Title is no taste test rule. Now, strictly emphasize that is not a food and must not go the mouth. Only three colors that should be used essentially and clean up must be done quickly. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. I have here a different of color path. You need to name it. What color is this? This is color Ria. Okay, very good. Color red. Next, what color is this? It's color yellow. Very good. Next, what color is this? Very good. Color blue. Now, what if we only have these three colors? Can we paint the whole rainbow? Anyone? Okay. No, because we have seven color color in rainbow. Number color. Go. Now we have here three colors. So we cannot paint the whole rainbow if we have if tatlo lang ang aton nga gamiton. Do you have any idea what is our topic for today? Okay, our topic for today is primary and secondary colors. Who can read what is primary colors? Aria, please read. Very good. We have three primary colors. We have red, yellow, and blue. Next, we can read what the secondary color. Very good. We have three color in the secondary colors. We have orange, green, and violet. Now, we have here the color wheel. As you can see, in the center, we have primary colors, and inside naman is the secondary colors. So as you can see, we have yellow plus red, and yellow plus blue, and red plus blue. So if we yellow plus red equals orange. If we mix the yellow and red, the result is orange. Now let's test kung ang resulta gid man sang aton nga yellow kag ang red is orange. Okay. First, we have a color yellow. Let's put in our hand. Next is color red. Before we mix it, dapat balance ang aton nga pagbutang sang color. Dapat kung ano ang inyong kung ano ang kadamuon nga ginbutang naton, amo man ang sa yellow, amo man ang sa red, para maano gid naton kung ano gid man ang kung ano gid man ang result nga magwa if orange gid man siya, para makuha naton ang exact sang color orange. So we need to mix it. Orange gid man siya bala? Yes. Now, who can need to volunteer with me? Okay. Hey, you need to balance yellow and red. Now, let's mix the yellow and red. Nag-orange gid man bala ang mix ni Jeffrey? Yes, very good. Now, because you know how to mix the two primary colors, let's proceed our activity. Now you will going to use all primary colors to create a secondary colors. Use your finger for mixing the colors. I will give you 10 minutes to finish your work. Are you all done? If you are done, please pass it to me. Okay, very good. Because you finish your work, let's proceed. Okay, I will ask you a question. What is the three primary colors? Ria, very good. We have red, yellow, and blue. What is the three secondary colors? Ella, okay, very good. We have orange, green, and violet. What colors will be going to mix if need to create a secondary colors? Trixie, very good. We need two primary colors to create a secondary colors. Very good. Now you need to I have individual artwork. So you need to use all the six colors, primary and secondary colors, to create a simple abstract or fingers painting design of landscape of any fun design. So I will give you 5 minutes to finish your work. Are you all done? Very good, because you finished your work. Please pass it to me. Now get your assignment notebook and write it in your assignment notebook. Are you all done? Okay, very good. Please, uh, 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 please clear your table and please arrange your chairs. Okay, class, goodbye.